In this video, you will learn how to fix Telegram. Please check your internet connection and try again. This message can be frustrating. It usually means that Telegram cannot connect to the internet. But don't worry, I will go through some easy steps to solve this problem. First things first, ensure that your iPhone is connected to a strong internet connection. This could be either Wi-Fi or cellular data. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for Wi-Fi or cellular options at the top. Make sure you are connected and that the signal strength is good. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router. Once confirmed that your internet is stable, let's move on to troubleshooting Telegram itself. Tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a list of all installed apps. Scroll down until you find Telegram. Once located, tap on it. You'll see two options here, Offload App and Delete App. Tap Offload App. After offloading, tap on Reinstall App. Now that we've reinstalled the app, let's check another setting that might be causing issues. Return to the General Settings page, and scroll down until you find Language and Region. Tap it. Ensure that your region is set correctly according to your location. Sometimes incorrect regional settings can cause connectivity problems with apps like Telegram. Next up, we'll reset network settings if you're still facing issues. Go back to General and scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here, select Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm this action when prompted. Keep in mind that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords but can help resolve persistent connectivity issues. And there you have it. After completing these steps, checking your internet connection, offloading and reinstalling the app, adjusting language/region settings, and resetting network preferences, your problem should be resolved. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.